Borda updates, yung bukas Independence Day. Ng Kapuso Artist participation with the cast of Pulang Araw and ng Barda sa Mandaue Presidential, Mandaue City, 8 a.m. At Kapuso Fans Day dyan sa Cebu. Kasama sila Barbie at David. Ang dalawa ganap ng Barda. Kasi ito pa interview sa Barda. Nandun yung Manila.
Dahil we get to work together in different genres, iba't ibang classes of cocktail, and I always go to different lives, so saya.
Yeah, you know what? There's a Barbie, different types of pero nandun pa rin yung, I think, hopefully nandun pa rin yung chemistry.
You mentioned na you've seen each other in a new life. Ano ba yung new life na yan? Ano yung growth? Or parang may nagbago ba sa closeness ninyo, sa friendship ninyo?
Siguro, the way we approach the characters, the way we create each characters na binibigay sa amin, siguro yun. Kasi ako naman, hindi ko naman siya tinatanong kung paano niya binubuo yung character. Nakikita ko na lang kung magka-eksena kami. And pag nagkaka-eksena kami, parang naiintindihan ko na, okay, so ganun pa rin niya ginawa. So, ganun. So doon ko matitimpla naman how I will approach his character as Adelina.
Yes, I did study Japanese. Yun din ako pinaka-actually na challenge dahil yung kasi
Japanese.
Tsaka mas marami yung Japanese lines na dito as compared to Maria Clara na we had Spanish. So that was definitely a challenge. And on top of that, yung acting din, I would say marami akong nagawa dito mga scenes na never ko pa nagagawa. And hopefully, maganda yung kinalabas na.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell for more update. Tara po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.